Locked out of your PayPal because you can't access your phone? Don't panic. We're diving into how to recover your account, even without phone verification. First, head over to the PayPal website and click on Trouble Logging In. This is your first step to regaining control. On the next screen, choose I forgot my password. Even if you remember your password, this triggers the recovery process where you can explore alternative verification methods. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account and click Next. You'll likely be presented with alternative verification options. Look for Verify Your Identity. Another way this might involve answering security questions or uploading a photo ID. PayPal will ask you to confirm your identity using some documents. Make sure you have a clear image or scan of the requested document ready on your computer or phone. Upload that clear copy. If you are not getting prompted to verify your identity, go to the PayPal Help Center, search for account recovery without phone, browse the results. Follow the instructions that PayPal support provided. Be patient. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll regain access to your account. Finally, once you are back in, consider setting up multiple security options, including a backup phone number or authenticator app to prevent future lockouts. Thanks for watching.